So I actually put the two together because I am going to be trimming them. Making sure that they're all lined up. This will be the top and the bottom of one shelf. And I'm trying to find a, as they call, the happy media, guys. Alright. And we're just going to trim them a little bit so they could even out. And we have our first wood. Now that was on top of there. But I am going to now take these apart because now we got to put it on the wall, and I'll show you how I'm getting it on the wall. Okay, guys? Let's take those out so that we can install this on the wall, and you will see how easy that is. So I have my son helping me, but I want you to listen to what he has to say.
So to mark where we're gonna screw it in on the wall, I'm just gonna use a marker to put some ink on these, and you got to be quick because it'll dry, and then you can mark the wall where you want it. Does that look even?
Yep.
Okay, those are our marks. See that?
Perfect.
There.
That's smart.
Because this is plaster, not drywall, we don't have studs here, but we can't find them, so we're using these anchors that as you screw them in, they hug the plaster on the inside. So we're drilling a hose to tap these guys in there, and then the screws will go in. All right, ready? So now we're just gonna screw it in. Everything's pre-drilled, that's hung up. Now we will, well, let me back these up just a little bit, because I don't want to, I don't want to have this loose at all. So that not too rough with it, now you tighten them by hand. So you can feel the screw so you don't over torque it. That's good.
Torque it?
Good. Well, because you can strip the screw with a
Isn't that like the woman doing that twerking?
No, not twerking. Torquing.
Oh.
Not twerking, mother. Twerking.
So now you can see how beautiful the shelves look. We actually made two, and I'm gonna get a little closer so that you can see that the two thin pads that we put. There's one on the bottom and one on top, and he actually made two of them for me, which is perfect because that's what I needed to hang towels and any little knickknacks that you might want. But overall, guys, I love it. To all my subscribers, thank you for returning. Don't forget to like, share, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Bye-bye now. Thank you.